It's a very nice journey. What is this again?
Please do hurry. We need to finish early this mission.
Don't worry, brother.
Oh no! Mama! Hey y'all, come look at this.
You need to wait. I have an idea to help you.
It's a vengeance. Let's help them quickly.
Don't worry, let's go.
Bruh. Huh?
Nice.
Yeah, boy.
Nice.
Yeah, boy.
It's a time for bridge construction.
Hey, what is going on here?
You need to be careful.
Okay, don't worry. I'm super driver now.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Hey guys, how can we do to help our friend?
There is no way. Let's find some help.
Please relax. I'm going to help you. There is an accident. We need some help. Please just follow me.
This fire is very dangerous. Please stay away, guys.
Go, go, go! Okay, let's go.
Everyone stay away. We are here to help you.
Nice.
It's a time for bridge construction. go!
Okay, let's make some magic bridge.
Okay, thank you guys.
What is this? It's look like this road has obstacle. Okay, let me wait here.
Hey guys, there is no way to pass here. Hey sister, we need your help.
Okay, wait. I have got an idea, so please relax. Please, we need help. The road has an obstacles.
Okay, let's go.
Hello there. It's not what it looks like.
Yeah, boy.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Okay, thank you. Ooh, my God, what is this again?
Hey, we need to go back, guys. This way is not good for us.
Hey, what are you doing?
It's look like there is a monster, so be careful. No, I'm going to report him.
Huh?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hey, we need help. Please just follow me. Hey, please bring our friend out. We can shut you now.
Enemy down.
Hey, there's a problem here. Okay, relax. I have an idea. Hey, please, pray for me.
Okay!
I'm here to help you, so please relax.
Stop talking, I can stop helping you.
Yeah, boy.
I'm here to help you, so please relax.
Yeah, boy.
Thank you and God help you.
It's not what it looks like.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Hey, it's a time for bridge construction. Another one?
Let's do this. Nice.
Go, go, go!
Here we go!
Hey, what is this guy? It looked like magical stone. It's raining. Anyone can help?
Go, go, go!
Got him!
Hey, please wait. It's a magic stone.
No way here. We need help now. What kind of help you need? Please go. Okay, let's wait, guys. Please come down. I'm coming to help you.
Hello there.
Huh? Yeah, boy.
I think I can't complete this task.
Stick together, team.
I'm coming to finish the task. No problem, brother. We thank...
Nice.
Help me! Help me! Nigga!
I'm dying. Help me.
No way, buddy boy!
It looked like volcanic eruption, so I cannot rescue this fire.